Hello everyone! Today we are making a tomato mustard tart, otherwise known as tarte tomate moutarde in French. This is one of my favorite easy recipes because you can actually make it with just 3 ingredients: puff pastry, mustard and tomatoes. But we're going to make it slightly fancier than that. We're going to use some cheese, olive oil, onion, Italian herbs or Provence herbs. What else? The breadcrumbs and coarse salt. So let's get started. Wash them and slice them. So what I do now is sprinkle with coarse salt and wait for 20 minutes. The idea here is that the salt should run away with the excess moisture. Okay, it's been more than half an hour, so let's pat them dry. Okay, this looks good enough. Lightly butter your baking dish. Most people use round pans. I use a square one. The most important thing is that it should be metal. No ceramic, no glass. It doesn't bake the same way, especially not puff pastry. It has to be metal. And let's place a piece of parchment paper in the pan. Store-bought puff pastry. Now prick the bottom with a fork. Dijon mustard, 3 tablespoons approximately. Now add an even layer of cheese. Next, breadcrumbs. Just sprinkle them. It will act as a sort of sponge to absorb the moisture. Next, get the tomatoes. Oh, look how much water there is inside. Yeah. Anyway, what I do, I place the largest pieces close to the edge and the smallest ones in the middle. The thinner tomatoes, you can do the double layer. One onion. So get some dried herbs, just sprinkle some of that. Smells amazing. Also, freshly ground black pepper. Place some foil around the perimeter. It will prevent the pastry from burning. Completely optional, but highly recommended. The very last thing before it goes into the oven, drizzle with the olive oil. Perfect. And off into the oven it goes. So, it's been what, 15 minutes? It's cooled somewhat, but still warm. Perfect to slice it. Lift it up. So there you are. You have it all. The cheesy layer, the mustardy layer, the tomato layer, the onion layer. It's not soggy. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave me a like, leave me a comment, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Okay? Thank you. Bye.